We're going to talk today about spring media ethics portfolios 2024. I can't show all of the good work that my media ethics students have done, but I'm going to show a selection today and remind everybody about the minimal requirements for an effective and substantive portfolio. First of all, there's the homepage tab. That's a showcase of what's inside. Do not omit this and go directly to About. The homepage site is designed attractively, include visuals, it shows off your digital skills, and invites people to explore the contents inside. Then there is the About tab. The About tab gives a sense of a person's personality, dreams, goals, hobbies, and so forth. The digital resume. As we had mentioned in our class repeatedly, do not take a photo of your WordPress or PDF document. We're way beyond the high school designed resume. The digital resume has links, and again, this represents you and everything that you've done, so make it shine. And then there's work samples. This can be done a number of ways. You should have at least 2 platforms, and make sure that your tabs are easy to see, include visuals and content so that we know what we're viewing. And there's the ethics code, 5 or 6 values, again, designed with visuals. And then we also require a logo or a monogram. And our students have videos on each of these requirements, and they go about doing their portfolios, which is an investment in themselves. We're going to start with Ashley Stark's wonderful portfolio. Here is the showcase. Look at this. Inspire, encourage, and entertain. Just an amazing site. Then we could go to the About tab. We're going to get look at her monograph, so beautiful there. And then we're going to get a passion for telling stories. We see a little bit about Ashley's personality. And then look at the drop-down tab she has: design, writing, and social media. Let's take a moment and look at design. Sparkles by Ashley, branding and blog design. Again, she's got everything defined. Here's some text there, and then she shows what she has. She has a well-designed ethics code. You can see empathy, integrity, kindness, patience, and honesty. She even has a blog that you can go to, and this just adds some more information about her, and a contact tab as well, which is designed and gives everyone a sense of what she is doing. Let's go back to Ashley's here. I want to go to the contact tab over here because she designs the contact tab. I'm excited to talk to you. She's done everything that we've asked her to do. Let's go to Riley Johnson's. Riley has a wonderful home tab, aspiring sports and industry. There is her monograph. Get to know me is the About tab. And we see what she does in class, what she does out of class. Here's her digital resume. I mean, this is what we're really asking everyone to try to do. And then she has a full resume as a PDF if you want to download that. We have her internship experience here. We have her Cyclones TV experience here. And again, we have the text defining what we're looking at. We have an ethics code, and so well done. And again, a contact. There's visuals, and she has a parting message. This is Mary Mendelssohn's wonderful portfolio, you'll notice that there's her logo that's done so absolutely well, such well designed. And here's her showcase. My word, is that a nice showcase? And then there's an about tab, and then we can know a little bit about her personality, her resume. Again, so wonderfully well done. Digital resume. I like this a lot. Sideline reporting. We get a nice video reel from 2023, and we can learn more about that. We're just going to go ahead and take a look at that real quickly.
And now let's go over to meet their coach with Marika Mendezu.
So I thought that was particularly well done. All right, let's see where we're going to go next. This is another really terrific. This is, this is by Bailey Wheeler. Bailey Wheeler's done a look at that nice homepage. This logo: creative, passionate, determined. So here's the homepage: creative, passionate, and determined. That is really kind of the theme here. Then we can go to the about, and then we get to learn a little bit more about her personality, her projects page, and graphic design, copywriting, video production. We can go to any one of these. Look at all the work that she has, news package. I mean, this is just really important stuff. Look at all these projects that she has done. And this is just one aspect. That's her 3D modeling. Let's continue up here. There's her radio and TV scripts. Everything is her blogs, her copywriting, her coursework. Just really wonderful. Here's the digital resume. Again, you can download the PDF version, but this is well designed there. And then again, the contact tab. Great campaigns are an only email away. Really defining who she is, and she doesn't let any aspect of her portfolio remain undesigned. Here is another tremendous portfolio, and it's a great showcase. Here's an about tab. The about tab is wonderful. I mean, Tessa has really gone out of her way to showcase all of her work. I like the way Tessa has designed her work page. We have all different types of text describing what she has done and how she has done it. There's a digital resume that we have here. Again, very well done, well designed. And her ethics code. I like this ethics code a whole bunch. I mean, you can just hit that. Each of these well-designed codes, and then her contact tab. Fill out the boxes. She's willing to write an ending message. So again, just a wonderful portfolio. Here's one by Kesley, one of my favorites here. A nice showcase, ready to and well designed. We can go to the About Me page. Look at all of the drop downs that she has here. Let's take a look at this one over here. Again, we know all the things that she has done. Just so brilliant. A well-designed ethics code. Notice that she has photos illustrating all of her values. One of the finest ethics codes seen in a while. And again, a contact looking for an ambitious advocate for the agriculture industry, a creative writer. She go to Jacob Rice's photography, beautiful monograph, homepage, just sort of showcases everything. It's about photography, and when we go to the homepage, we get a nice video selection. Here's his videos. He's got videos from sports. He's got text videos, personal vlogs, I should say. He's got a design ethics code. I really like this ethics code: teamwork, attitude, growth, respect, work ethic, and diversity. There's a little bit about him and about his high school work and his heritage. Just really tremendous personality. Then we have his resume, and we can open the file and hear it there and see it there. It's by Avery Howe, public relations. A really nice homepage. And we go to the About Me, and again, we take a look at her background, her high school, looking ahead, leveraging her skills. She has a well-defined digital resume. I really like the colors. I love how she has video in the background. Lots of work samples, each one mini PR plan. It's so well designed. And then her ethics code. I just love the colors of this. And the design on each one is just so fetching. It's really nice. And her contact, she's excited to hear from you. She's got a visual there. I just think she's got everything down the way we had hoped. Now, I could show about 20 more of these portfolios that have all the minimal requirements. These are some that just came up on my email portfolio links. I want to thank everybody for the work they have done in the class. Notice the monograms too. I mean, our students are just so talented. Okay, thank you. And I'll put together this little video for class, and maybe we can inspire you to keep working on your portfolio.